Welcome to my channel, All Things Washington. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Here we have a sweatshirt that I wanted to show you that I made. This is a glitter vinyl and it's also puff vinyl. I was able to put two different kind of vinyls on this sweatshirt. This sweatshirt was made for urgent care. It says proud member of Piedmont Buckhead, which is in Georgia. And this is the urgent care center. They requested some sweatshirts from me, so I just wanted to show you that you can combine your vinyls and it comes out nice. So I'll bring it close so that you can see it. And I order all my vinyls from Caesar vinyl. That's the vinyl that I use. Now what I'm working on today is also, this is a shirt, a long sleeve black shirt for Piedmont Urgent Care. And I'm doing an offset, so I wanted to show you the offset. And here again, I was able to mix my vinyls. This vinyl, this right here where it says Piedmont, this is called an offset. I took a black glitter and put it on top of a white glitter. But I made the white glitter an offset. You make it a little larger than what the actual word is. And then you put it on top and you get your offset. And then here I just have regular Caesar vinyl. And I have 4 different colors here. This is their logo. So in order for me to get their logo, I had to print out this logo 4 different times with 4 different colors. And that's how I was able to put it together. And next, I'm going to put the word urgent care right up under here. Here's the offset. So I made the offset. And then I made the word urgent care. So if you notice, urgent care offset is bigger and wider. On your Cricut, there's a button there, and you just, hit for the offset and set it the size that you want, and it will do that for you. So you press the offset on first. So I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna press it, and then I'll show you what it's gonna look like. So make sure you remove the lint off of your shirt also. Notice I had a little on there. So then you eye it and lay it down where you would like for it to be. I just lined it up with the T, the E, and the T on the end there. And this is a Teflon sheet. You lay it on top, bring it down 15 seconds. Brought it down 15 seconds. I'm bring it a little bit closer so if you can see my numbers, my countdown. I have automatic lift. So it's going to count down. That's the automatic that I have. And my heat press nation. That's where I brought it at. And then it's a hot peel. So you bring that right up. Let me see. Get my camera adjusted so that you can see it. I'll lift the shirt up. That's what the offset looks like. And then I'm going to take the word urgent care and lay it right on top. Here it is here. And place it on top. You line it up to where you want it. And then I'm gonna place the Teflon sheet right on top. 15 seconds. And my temperature, I have it at 289. And it's counting down in 15 seconds. Okay. And there you have it. But I'm going to also, you can always do it again, and that's just to make sure that the hold is nice and tight for you. "15 seconds. Okay, and there it is. And I'll hold it up so you can see it. And there it is. I'll bring it close. You see the white offset on the word urgent care? So there you have it. It came out nice. All Things Washington. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.